Hey, what's up? This is Norris. Welcome back to another Sword Academy recap. Now, this is July's recap course, and basically what we did in this course was we took our basic body sloper. Now, we created this back in a previous course, so we went and took it out to reuse it to create this shirt this month. Now, a basic body sloper is just pretty much your measurements without any ease, without any seam allowance. Is just basically your measurements. Now this is a upper basic body sloper. So we're gonna create a button-up shirt. Now we can create a jacket, a vest, pretty much anything from this basic bodies block. But in this course, we did a button-up shirt. Now, if you look right here, it's a drop shoulder button-up shirt. Now I got the inspiration from this shirt from an old Zara button-up shirt that I got a couple of years back. So I took it to the lab, created a pattern for it, and pretty much taking your basic bodies block and modify it to create any kind of garment you want. Now this drop shoulder gives you an illusion that you have sleeves, but it has no sleeves on it. It's a raw edge. And also, if you look right here, there's a facing for the raw edge, which gives a little bit more weight for your sleeve. And also the yoke goes all the way down to the sleeve, which is why it's a really good pattern. And this is an all-purpose shirt. You can wear it like I did, open up, showing a little chest with a little jewelry during the summertime, but also you can layer up underneath it during the fall, winter time with like a turtleneck and just putting the shirt on top, because the drop shoulder is so dropped that you look like you have sleeves, like I said. This is a really cool design, modern fit, and it gives you a really cool street vibe too, which is pretty much in style. And there it is. Got the yoke on the inside, yoke on the outside. It has the collar with the collar band. All these techniques we teach you how to do without using any pattern, okay? So if you're interested in sewing up the Sword Academy, this is some of the stuff that you'll get and some of the skills and techniques you will learn throughout Sword Academy. So go ahead and sign up to swordacademy.com. Check the Instagram page. Check my page. Tag me at Norris Danta 4 anytime you're making any garments. And until next time, see you next month.